Hello everybody, and welcome back to another edition of Top 10 with Alex. Today I'm pleased to let you know that we have a special guest chef. Please say hello to Abby.
Hello Alex, thank you for having me here today.
Today, we are going to be making the third item on our list of top 10 easy and interesting meals, baked avocado egg. This is a quick and easy breakfast meal and will get your day off to a great start. So, without further ado, I'll turn it over to Abby.
Thanks Alex, and hello again everyone. Are you looking for an easy and tasty breakfast recipe to try out? Well, you're in luck because I have just the thing for you, baked avocado egg. This recipe is so simple that even a cooking newbie can easily master it. And it only takes 20 minutes. And hopefully when you are done it looks something like this. This is a very simple recipe in terms of cooking utensils you will need. Basically, all it takes is an oven, a sharp knife, a spoon, and a baking sheet. As always, oven mitts will be a good way to protect your pinkies. Here are the ingredients you'll need: 1 avocado, 2 eggs, salt, pepper, and some fresh herbs if you want to add a little bit of extra flavor. Don't worry if you don't have all of these ingredients on hand. You can always substitute or leave some out. Well, except the egg and avocado, obviously. First things first, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, take your avocado and slice it in half, making sure to remove the pit. To create a larger hole for the egg, scoop out a little of the flesh from the center of each avocado half. Next, place the avocado halves in a baking dish or on a baking sheet. Crack an egg into each avocado half. Sprinkle some salt and pepper on top of each egg for some added flavor. Now, it's time to pop those bad boys into the oven. Bake them for 15 to 20 minutes or until the egg is set to your desired doneness. If you like your eggs runny, aim for around 15 minutes. If you prefer them fully cooked, go for the full 20 minutes. Once they're done, take the avocado halves out of the oven and let them cool for a minute or two. If you're feeling fancy, you can garnish them with some fresh herbs like chopped parsley or basil. And there you have it, baked avocado egg. It's a simple yet delicious recipe that you can enjoy any time of day. So, why not give it a try and impress your friends and family with your newfound cooking skills? Enjoy!
Thank you, Abby. That looks quick, easy, and quite tasty. A full list of ingredients and cooking instructions is included in the description. Please like and subscribe.